Hey guys, Nick back in the garage. Taking a break from the Uber Scoop because I'm waiting for clutch springs and stuff for it to get the stall speed down. There it is sitting there with the GP 460. The clutch doesn't engage until about 5,000 RPMs right now, and that's a little too high for me. I'm going to try to get it down a couple thousand RPMs. I know the benefits of the high revving clutches. I just don't like it. It makes it too loud. It just makes it obscene for me. But finally got back on this bike today. It's a rainy day here in upstate New York. And I decided, because I've been taking bits and pieces off this bike to use them on other projects, and I decided when I went through my parts bin to put this back together. This bike is a little bit different from my first one. If you've seen the one of the Yellow Goose, I did this one red because my nephew's favorite color is red, and he said I needed to do a red one. A lot of different things that I did. In my last one, let me see if I can do it. I had this arm welded to the other frame. This one isn't. This is a swinger. It swings up and away from the tire, and there's the adjustment buckle where if I turn it, it goes up and away from the tire like this. And you can ride it like a normal bike if you want to. And when you want it motor assisted or whatever, tighten it right back down. Get it nice and tight. And that's how that works. I'm going to start it up because the other one I didn't start it up on camera. And this one I'm going to. This bike tops out at about 26 miles an hour if it's not windy outside. Yeah, I had an extra filter for my scooter that I used for this, and a velocity stack just to make it look a little bit better. So I'm going to start this up and let you guys listen to it. Oh, you gotta prime it and choke it. I forgot. And this carburetor is designed it's a weed eater carburetor for a weed eater motor, but it's designed so you don't have to reach back and kick the choke off. You just hit it like that and the choke comes off. Choke off. And the kill switch, and that's her. Enjoyed building this. One of my best motorized bikes that I built. Got a light on this one. I mounted that on the forks because I thought it was just sleeker looking. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.